Lead.
Done that, been there, done that. Sabi ng mga ate. Pero ito gusto ng mga Air Force younger sisters. But you know, suddenly the Air Force, their second win, maybe it happened in the last two sets.
Yeah.
Nakakuha ng reinforcements. Semana, nice combination. Pati yun, well, they got that. Kala ko pati yun mahuhuli.
Oh.
Nail biter ito. Bunag, huli. Gonzaga, one-hander.
Oh! Tina Salak, you know that she will work hard in this fifth set.
Parang, tapos na ako. Next point tayo.
Given.
Given and pass it on. Parang sa bowling, di ba?
Oh, pass it on.
Oh, bunag.
Well, one comment for that reception. Don't use one hand.
Puro kanal kasi tira namin.
Kanal.
Oh,
Yeah.
sa side eh. But pass it on was a bowling turn. Hala, tinaas. Hello.
Oh. Well, you can sense the fans are behind the Air Force.
Hala, 7-10. Buti na lang, hanggang 5 sets lang. Isipin mo kung 7, ano?
Oh. Oh, still alive.
Dinik-dik. Free ball! Hello. Free ball. Chance point. Salak going to work.
Salak again. But you know, hindi sa sinaswapang ni Salak, she really had no choice. The ball was too near the net.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. But Tina is thinking, let's end this madness. Let's finish this.
Look at that angle. No?
Oo,
Hirap nun.
ang hirap. Karayom eh.
Oo. Makulangan.
Oh! Cases says, I'm not yet done. Fighter ito.
Good serve.
Lalim. Gonzaga.
Wow, what a smart tip para sa Air Force. And it's just a 2-point lead.
9-11. Each serve, each spike. Aray. Aray. Irony of ironies. Crowd enjoying the game.
Oh yeah, this is classic and high caliber volleyball.
Buti na lang si Tina Salak yan. And now it becomes 12-10. Siya yung taguan ng weapons ng Army.
Oo. Storage facility.
Tulak. Hindi makapalo si Ortiz.
Oh, still alive. Chance ball.
Oh! What a play! What a play!
Wow.
And it was the right play to call at that moment. Watch this.
Oh, no blockers.
Lumundag kasi si Balse na hinaharang nila. Sabi ni Jovelyn, ari ko di, oh! Boom! Sanig tayo.
Pwede yan, kaya ko doon sa open. Kaya ka, kunin mo yung kita para sumama. Pasukan mo lang talagang pasok. Tapos, isang magandang isip mo lang kunin tayo. Kailangan kunin na rin si Pito. Lapit na, wala na.
The Bionic Ilongga, as dubbed by AJ, taking care of business there, the firing in of that beautiful place.
Yeah.
So well constructed. At the scene of the crime.
The scene of the crime.
In the meantime, Wendy Simana is not yet done. The Warrior, who is a Lady Tamara, refuses to just go quietly into the night. 11-13.
Easy serve.
Huwag natin pahirapan. Kung Jean na tayo magpunta.
Oo.
Simana, Cases. Hello!
Much to the delight of the crowd.
Ito palang, busog na! looked dangerous, but it's in play. Gonzaga. Regalo forthcoming. Not so. Semana goes the other direction. Passes.
Oh!
13 all.
Momentum shift for Air Force.
Salak trying to be calm. Rakis Ortiz in play.
Playable.
And a free ball, but turned into a spike.
Oh! It's Mary Jean Balse. This is crunch time, and of course, it's Balse time.
Oh, this crowd just enjoying the game. Cheering, in fact, both teams.
Match point, Army. Semana.
Semana says, no, I won't chance it.
Oh!
It is outside. It is outside.
Army survives.
And the Army surviving a torrid scare from the gritty Air Force squad, winning in 5 sets.
Oh, the crowd not agreeing, but
What can they do?
what can they do? The shaky shake and play. This is that one that the crowd is reacting to.
Walang kupas.
Alam na kung time na yan eh.
It's time. It's Balse time,
It's
di ba?
Balse time.
And bihira siyang tumingala sa i-interview sa kanya. Usually nakatingin siya pababa. Take it away, Joy.
Our player of the game, none other than the former Queen Tigress, Mary Jean Ging Balse. Ate Ging, ano ang naging adjustment nyo nung buong game? Kasi first 2 sets nakuha nyo, tapos third and fourth medyo naglaylo kayo. Paano nyo nakuha yung 5th set?
Sa amin, siguro yung 5th set namin, as in nag-ano talaga kami sa receive namin. Kailangan namin mag-first receive. Tsaka tiwala lang talaga sa sarili para makuha yung set na to, yung game panalo na to.
At dahil ikaw ang ating player of the game, ito ang Shakey's Pizza for you, pang-celebrate with your teammates.
Thank you very much, AJ and Jane. And look at the updated team standings.
That's right. Well, 7-0, 7-1, 4-3, 3-5. You know, pretty much set our final four. But Sev, Army really just survived today.
Okay, and there's more great, delightful slices of volleyball to come as our league continues the open conference of the Shakey's V-League. Reverse. Knockdown.
Yun yung difference ngayon ng Cagayan. Roses. Valdes. Smart. Oh! Clearly nakita niya yung butas ng defense.
Momentarily jammed. Ferrer recycles. Roses.
Yes!